like everybody else, we've had flash floods today, and our little front creek has brought us garbage, more water, and that, I mean, that's 4 feet across at the widest. So, yes, water is powerful. And the debris tells you the water crossed the bridge. This is the creek that my brother, when he was a little boy, got swept down. And it's very rare for you to survive, actually, in that situation. Because we're in the middle of nowhere, so it's not like anybody saw him. What happened was his jacket got caught on a limb like that and held his head above water for God knows how long.